My neighbor is coming over with some large pine logs that's going to be made into studs, but before we can unload that I have to move some oak logs that's due to go into the mill. These oak logs was cut 5 years ago, so they really need to go into the mill now. When the oak logs is finally moved, we can start unloading the pine logs. It's a beautiful day with the sunshine and minus 13 degrees Celsius. Perfect day to do this kind of work. The logs are going to be beams for a floor on an old shed to repair the floor that today has fallen in. Final log does load. Now it's just to start up the sawmill and start making 5x5 studs or beams.